If you're looking into 11 Labs for AI voice generation, it's important to understand their pricing plans, features, and which tier might be right for you. 11 Labs uses a credit-based system, where each month you receive a set number of credits for text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, and other AI audio tasks. According to 11 Labs' official documentation and pricing guides, this system allows users to pay based on their usage while choosing a plan that fits their needs. The free plan costs nothing and includes around 10,000 credits per month, which is roughly 10 minutes of high-quality text-to-speech. This plan gives access to TTS, speech-to-text, automated dubbing, and their studio, but it does not include a commercial license. It's ideal for testing or hobby projects. The starter plan costs $5 per month and provides 30,000 credits per month, along with a commercial license, instant voice cloning, and up to 20 projects in studio. This plan is suitable for hobbyists or side creators who want to monetize content without a large budget. Next is the Creator Plan, priced at $22 per month, or about $18.33 per month if billed annually, which offers 100,000 credits per month. This tier includes professional voice cloning, higher audio quality, and usage-based billing for extra credits. It's ideal for content creators, YouTubers, and podcasters who produce a moderate to large amount of voice content. The Pro plan costs $99 per month, or $82.50 with annual billing, and comes with 500,000 credits per month. It includes high-fidelity audio output, access to an analytics dashboard, and the ability to generate professional-grade TTS for large-scale projects, making it perfect for teams or professionals generating frequent voice content. For larger teams, the Scale plan costs $330 per month, or $275 annually, and provides 2 million credits per month with multi-seat workspaces and collaboration features. The Business plan is $1,320 per month, or $1,100 annually, and offers 11 million credits, multiple professional voice clones, low-latency TTS, and extended team seats for enterprise-level use. Finally, there is the Enterprise plan, which is custom-priced and designed for very large-scale operations. It includes additional perks such as custom terms, service-level agreements, managed dubbing projects, and higher API concurrency. In short, 11 Labs provides flexible plans from free for testing, Creator and Pro for professional use, and Scale or Business for teams generating large volumes of content. Sources for these details include 11 Labs official documentation, guides from Achio and Kulana Media, and user discussions on Reddit. Choosing the right plan depends on your usage needs, credit consumption, and whether you require commercial licensing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand 11 Labs pricing, like, subscribe, and comment below which plan you're considering for your projects.